Now 2p plus 2q minus 9, p plus q plus 2. Answer. Factorize p plus q लाई a मान्ने 2 18 2 36 9 4 36 अनि यसमा के गर्ने 2a minus 9 a plus 2 2 p plus q राख्ने putting the value of a 2p plus 2q minus 9 p plus q plus 2 is the they are two factors. Factorize भन्दा यो factorize हो by supposing question number 25 is as follows. Simplify a by a plus b plus b by a minus b plus twice ab by b square minus a square. How to simplify it? There are three expressions: a by a plus b plus b by a minus b plus twice ab by b square minus a square. First, यसको LCM. Take the LCM of the first two expressions a plus b into a minus b. A plus b cancel. यो बाँकी रहन्छ a minus b into a into a minus b plus यो गर्दा a minus b cancel. Remaining a plus b into a plus b. Here a square minus b square आउँछ. There is b square minus a square. Plus becomes minus twice ab minus a square becomes plus a square and plus b square becomes minus b square. Changing sign. A into a square minus a into b, b into a, plus b square, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, minus twice ab by a square minus b square. ab cancel. Since the denominator is the same, you can directly do a square minus b square, a square plus b square minus twice ab. What formula is this? A square plus b square minus twice ab. Can you write it as a square minus twice ab plus b square upon a square minus b square? This is a minus b whole square upon a plus b into a minus b. A plus b whole square में यो र यो काट्दा एउटा a minus b बाँकी रहन्छ. A minus b whole square is a minus b into a minus b. A minus b एउटा काट्ने whole square में एउटा बाँकी रहन्छ. A minus b upon a plus b is the answer. First, take the LCM of first and second expression. A plus b into a minus b. Take LCM. Simplify it. AB cancel. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Third expression, plus लाई minus बनाउने, b minus a लाई a minus b बनाउने. Minus a square is plus a square, plus b square is minus b square. Don't write b square plus a square. When the sign of plus is changed into minus, you have to change the sign of a and b both. अर्थात यो प्लस लाई माइनस बनाइसकेपछि माइनस a square को plus a square plus b square को minus b square. Change the sign of numerator and change the sign of all terms of the denominator. Minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. Finally, a square minus b square. There is also a square minus b square. LCM numerator a square plus b square minus twice ab. That is a minus b whole square upon a plus b into a minus b. Cancel. A minus b upon a plus b is the simplified answer. Simplify. Now another question. is question number 18. Time and work. Time and work unitary method. If you have to find the cost price or earning or income, this is direct variation. Many articles cost many and many rupees, and one article cost less money. So direct variation. But in time and work, number of persons, number of workers and time are inversely proportional. Time बढ्यो भने वर्कर घट्छ, time घट्यो भने वर्कर बढ्छ, just inversely proportional. The question is this: 24 workers can do a piece of work in 20 days. How many workers should be added to finish it in 16 days? 24 workers can do a piece of work in 20 days. 24 जनाले 20 दिनमा सक्छन्. How many workers should be added? 24 मा कति जना थप्यो भने added to finish the work in 16 days. Solution. यो क्वेशन नंबर भयो. क्वेशन नंबर यहाँ लेख्ने. Solution. Let x be the number of workers to be added. यहाँ how many workers should be removed भन्यो भने माइनस गर्ने. रिमुभ मा माइनस, एडेड मा प्लस. रिमेम्बर, इफ दे एड प्लस रिमुभ भन्यो भने माइनस गर्ने. कतिजना हटाउनु पर्छ माइनस, कतिजना थप्नु पर्छ प्लस. लेट एक्स बी द नम्बर अफ वर्कर्स टु बी एडेड. नाउ बाई workers, how many work? You write workers and you write time. How many workers? 24 workers can finish the work in 20 days. How many workers should be added? X should be added so that it is finished in 16 days. 24 जनाले 20 दिनमा गर्न सक्छन्. 24 workers can do in 20 days. X number should be added, becomes 24 plus X. But the time is removed. Yeah, when the number of workers is increased, time is reduced. So it is inversely proportional. Okay. Give the arrow. Arrow upward and arrow downward. Write by the indirect variation. Why indirect variation? वर्कर बढ्यो भने टाइम घट्छ, घट्यो भने बढ्छ. By the indirect variation we get this upon this. यसलाई जसरी लेख्नु हुन्छ 24 plus x upon 24. This upon this. मात्र यो चाहिँ डाउन 20 upon 16. यसरी नगाड्ने, सिधा सिधा मात्रै काट्ने. 4 4 जा 16, 4 5 जा 20. यसलाई क्रस बनाएर यसलाई काट्न त मिल्छ. 24 plus x by 24 equal 5 by 4. अब यसलाई के गर्नु पर्यो? 24 workers can do a piece of work in 20 days. How many workers should be added to finish it in 16 days? 24 workers, 20 days. 24 plus x worker, 16 days. Inversely, 24 plus x upon 24 equal 20 upon 16. यो मात्रै देखाउने, यो तल देखाउने, यो सिधा सिधा मात्रै काट्ने. अब यसलाई यसलाई काट्न मिल्छ किनभने यो इन्टु फर्ममा छ. 6 into 4 24 or 24 plus x equal 6 5 जा 30 or x equal 30 minus 24 equal 6. So therefore 6 workers should be added. 6 वर्कर थप्यो भने 30 हुन्छ अनि यो 16 डेजमा 4 डेज अर्लियर हियर 16 डेज मिन्स 4 डेज अर्लियर भन्यो भने sometimes the question can be asked as the work can be finished 4 days earlier not in 4 days यो 4 डेजमा भनेको होइन कि पहिलाको भन्दा 4 डेज अर्लियर पहिलाको समय भन्दा अहिले समय 20 - 4 16 अर्थात् 4 दिन अगाडि 4 डेज अर्लियर द्याट मिन्स 20 - 4 16 डेज थोरै समय टु फिनिश द वर्क इन लेस टाइम workers should be more. To finish the work in more time, workers should be removed. So it is indirect variation of arrow up and arrow down. You open your garden equal 20 by 16 garden cross multiply and find the value of x. So 6 workers should be added. Question number 18. Time and work. Question number 12. Make a rectangle whose diagonals are 7 centimeters each. Because the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. One diagonal is 7 centimeters. Another diagonal is also 7 centimeters, and the angle between them is 45 degrees. How to draw? How to draw the rectangle? Rectangle, rough sketch. First of all, rough sketch. Rough sketch ma एउटा diagonal 7 सेन्टिमिटरको छ एनोदर डायगोनल पनि 7 सेन्टिमिटर यसरी 7 को 7 बनाउने जस्ट हाफ गर्ने अब यहाँ 45 डिग्री बनाउने दिस इज 7 यहाँबाट यता जस्ट 7 को हाफ 3.5 यता 3.5 अनि यो यसरी जोड्दै दिस इज 7.5 अनि यहाँबाट अर्को मिड पोइन्टबाट 45 डिग्री बनाउने अनि अर्को 7 होला 3.5 3.5 what is the rough sketch first of all rough sketch 7 centimeter draw 7 centimeter make bisect it find the midpoint here make 45 degree and another from here to here cut 3.5 here to here cut 3.5 join these points accordingly rough figure. Now fairly, first of all, cut. Take 7 centimeter long diagonal. 7 centimeter. Bisect it. आधा भन्दा बढी लिएर यसरी bisect गर्ने. Find out the midpoint. Now at the midpoint, the diagonals of a rectangle are equal and they bisect each other. Diagonals equal पनि हुन्छ र bisect पनि हुन्छ त्यसले याद गरौँ यस्तो हुन्छ रेक्ट्याङ्गल यस्तो सेप 90 degree diagonals are equal make 7 centimeter long diagonal bisect it find the midpoint at the midpoint make an angle of 45 degree यो यसको ठीक बीचमा 45 degree बनाउने how 45 degree बनाउँदा यस्तो 60 here 90 degree यहाँ 45 degree how to make here यहाँबाट यता काट्ने 45 degree it is 45 degree then what you do another diagonal is also 7 centimeter भनेपछि यहाँबाट यता 3.5 what 3.5 काट्ने 3.5 here also 3.5 This whole is 7. So this is 3.5 and this is also 3.5. And what you do, join these two. यसरी यसलाई जोइन गर्ने र यस्तो खालको एउटा रेक्ट्याङ्गल बन्छ. दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. फेरि यसलाई हेरौँ. 7 सेन्टिमिटर मेक 45 डिग्री बनाउने. मेक 45 डिग्री. कट 3.5 3.5 and join the end points in order. So A B C D is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC equal diagonal BD equal 7 centimeter. Diagonals are equal and they bisect each other at a point. And the angle between them, see, if they meet at O, angle COD is 45 degree. The diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other, but here at angle 45 degree. 45 degree. Make here 45 degree. Remember. So ABCD is a required rectangle where AC equal BD equal 7 centimeter and the angle between them is COD 45 degree. One angle is 45. This is 45. This is 135 degree. Another question is also there. Question number 13. Similarly, verify experimentally that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. आयतका विकर्णहरू बराबर हुन्छन् भनेर सिद्ध गर्नुपर्छ. आयतका विकर्णहरू बराबर हुन्छन्. That means verify experimentally that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. What is given condition? How to verify it? Make two rectangles. कम्तीमा दुईटा rectangle बनाउनु. Given condition is this. Make two rectangles. How to make? Certain लिने, certain length को लिने, angle यहाँ 90 degree बनाउने. Make an angle of 90 degree. Certain लिने. Suppose you can take any length, either यो जति छ त्यसलाई अलिकति घटाएर लिने, certain length, and cut equal arc. From here also cut an equal arc. Make opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and one angle is 90 degree. यहाँ एउटा साइड लिने, angle 90 degree बनाउने, यहाँबाट एउटा काट्ने, one side, another side, opposite side, यहाँबाट यसको लेन्थ लिएर यसरी काट्ने, opposite sides equal बनाउने, one angle is 90 degree बनाउने. Another figure is also take a certain length. यो भन्दा either less or more, slightly more. Make an angle of 90 degree. 90 degree बनाउने. यसलाई अलिकति बढाउने, slightly more length, equal length, opposite side. Here also take equal length, opposite side. यो जति छ यहाँबाट यसरी काट्ने. Make equal arcs. Draw ABCD equal. Here AC is a diagonal, BD is also a diagonal. Here AC and BD are two diagonals. How to draw? Again, I explain briefly. Length, take length BC, make an angle of 90 degree. Take a certain length, either less than or more than BC. and cut here and take BC and make AD. AD equal BC. AD equal BC and AB equal CD. That is, it means ABCD is a rectangle because all angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal. And how to prove diagonals are equal? Remember. What is the given condition? Figure number 1, figure number 2. What is given? ABCD is a rectangle. How rectangle? One angle 90 degree बनाएर all angles are 90 degree. AC and BD are diagonals. नेपाली भर्सनमा ABCD एउटा आयत हो, AC र BD diagonal विकर्णहरू हुन्. Given condition to verify AC equal BD. Measurement table बनाउने यहाँ. Write figures and here AC, BD and remarks. Figure number 1 and figure number 2. In figure number 1, measure AC. AC measure गर र BD measure गर. In figure number 1, अब AC कति हुन सक्छ? Can you suppose AC? Suppose 7 centimeter. Suppose and BD is also 7 centimeter. AC and BD are both 7. That means AC equal BD. In this figure, suppose how much can we use a scale? Here, students are advised to use scale and find the length of AC. AC को length यसरी measure गर्ने, BD measure गर्ने. In figure number 2, what can be? Suppose it is 8.5 cm. It is also 8.5 cm. It means AC equal BD. In figure 1, diagonal AC and diagonal BD are equal. Figure number 2, diagonal AC equal diagonal BD. In both the cases, two diagonals are equal. What is the conclusion? निष्कर्ष के होला यसको? Hence, or you can write any language, your language अनुसार. Hence, this experiment verifies that. Hence, the diagonals named AC and BD are equal. Question number 13. Verify experimentally that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. Make two rectangles ABCD. Figure 1, figure 2. Make 90 degree. BC and AB are not equal. ABCD is a rectangle. AC and BD are diagonals. To verify AC equal BD. Measurement table. Figures AC, BD and remarks. In figure 1, AC suppose 7, BD suppose 7. But students, dear students, you have to measure it correctly. Like measure, scale measure गरेर लेख्ने. AC equal BD. Figure number 2, measure AC and measure BD. Suppose 8.5. यो दुईटा इक्वल आउँछ. सबै 8.5 आउँदैन. 8 equal 8, 9 equal 9, 6 equal 6. Anyway, in figure number 1, AC and AC equal BD. Figure number 2, AC equal BD. But figure 1 AC and figure 2 AC are not equal. यसको AC र यसको AC equal छैन. AC figure 1, AC figure 2 are not equal. BD is not equal to BD of second figure. Figure number 1, AC equal BD. Figure number 2, AC equal BD. Conclusion. This experiment verifies that the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. The diagonals of a rectangle ABCD are equal. It means AC equal BD proved. Question number 19. Question number 19 is as follows. The question is as follows. A sum of money amounts to rupees 7,800 in 3 years at the rate of 10%. Find the sum. See, find the sum of money which amounts to rupees 7,800 in 3 years at the rate of 10%. कुन पैसालाई 3 वर्षसम्म 10%ले राख्दा 3 years 10 रेटको दरमा राख्दा सम यो हियर सम अफ मनी अमाउन्ट्स हियर अमाउन्ट भनेको भबको रूपमा छ अमाउन्ट्स भनेको हियर युज्ड एज अ भब नट नाउन 7,800 हुन्छ. What is this? It is not principal P. It is amount A, time and rate. You have to find the interest. You cannot find interest now. Or sum of money. What is the amount? Amount A is rupees 7,800. Here amount means P plus I. Sum plus interest. Sum not given, interest not given. 3 years means time. Time is 3 years. Years भनेको time. Rate. Rate of interest are equal 10%. Sum P equal what? If we know P equal A into 100 upon 100 plus TR. This formula. Can you remember this formula? P equal A into 100 by 100 plus TR. Sometimes you may forget. You बिर्सेमा यसरी गर्ने बिर्से भने P plus I equal A. P plus I भनेको PTR by 100 equal A. 100 LCM 100P plus PTR equal A. Cross multiply. Take P common. P common is 100 plus TR equal 100A. Take I को ठाउँमा PTR लेख्ने PTR by 100. Take LCM 100P plus PTR by 100A. Cross multiply. Take P common. P common लिएपछि 100 plus TR 100A. So P equal 100 into A upon 100 plus TR. A into 100, 100 into A. Now put the value of A. A भनेको rupees 7,800 into 100 by 100 plus T 3 years R 10. Rupees 7,800,000 100 plus 30. Rupees 7,800,000 by 130. Cut 13 6 78. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. What is the sum? Principal equal rupees 6,000 answer. And what is the rate of interest? Amount कति होला? What is the interest? A minus B. कति भएछ? 7,800 minus 6,000 1,800 rupees. Interest. The interest is 1,800. Amount 7,800. Time 3 years given. Rate of interest 10 given. What is the sum? Formula P equal A into 100 upon 100 plus TR. 7,800 into 100 upon 100 plus T. 3 into 10. 30. Multiply 7,800,000 upon 130. 0 cancel. Divide 6,000. So the sum is rupees 6,000 answer. This formula is used when principal is to find and interest is not given. I नदिएको खण्डमा P निकाल्नको लागि amount, time र rate दिएमा फर्मुला हुन्छ P इक्वल A इन्टु 100/100 प्लस TR formula. After finding P, you can find I equal A minus P. Possibly the last sum today. Question number 25 is draw a triangle ABC with A32, B 52 and C 3 minus 2. Rotate triangle ABC through minus 90 degree about 0 origin. Show in a graph. What to show? Show the object and image. दुईटै object र image दुवैलाई एउटै ग्राफमा प्लट गर्ने. क्वेसन नम्बर 25. सी फर्स्ट अफ अल स्केल लेख्ने 5. लेट 10 smallest squares equal 1 unit. 10 smallest squareलाई 1 unit मान्दा यहाँनिर स्पेसको ग्राफ हुन्छ. They can use a graph like x o x dash y o y dash graph. यो ग्राफ फर्स्ट अफ अल त 3 2 यो ग्राफमा यस्तो लेखेको हुन्छ 1 2 3 यहाँ लेखेको हुन्छ. माथि 1 2 3 4 5 b2 here 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. स्टुडेन्टले यसरी लेख्ने 1 2 3 4 5 written in the graph. 3 2 यता 3 1 2 3 2 यहाँनिर पर्छ 3 2 A 3 2 B 5 2 1 2 3 4 5 2 यहाँ पर्छ. 3 minus 2 1 2 3 minus 2 भने यहाँ पर्छ C A B C. यसरी A B C this is the object as given. यहाँ यसरी नलेख्ने A B C. Here it is 3 2 it is 5 2 and C 3 minus 2 as in the graph. यसको रोटेट कसरी गर्ने? सी रोटेटको लागि योभन्दा अगाडि हामीले यसो लेख्छौँ. पहिला यो गरेर योभन्दा अगाडि यसलाई के गर्न सकिन्छ? We know PXY about minus 90 degrees P dash Y minus X. So what is A? 3 2 के जाने भयो? According to this minus 90 degree A dash X Y Y minus X भनेपछि A dash 2 minus 3 B 5 2 is B dash X Y Y minus X. C 3 minus 2 becomes C dash Y minus X. Y minus X यसरी जान्छ. अब यसलाई प्लट गर्ने. सी 3 2 2 minus 3 X Y Y minus X हुन्छ. Y 2 minus 3 कहाँ पर्छ? 2 भनेपछि 2 minus 3 भनेपछि 1 2 3 यहाँ पर्छ. A dash B dash 5 2 2 minus 5 1 2 minus 5 अलिकति तल राख्ने. युज अ ग्राफ प्रपरली युज गर्ने. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 यहाँनिर पर्यो B dash अनि C dash 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 यहाँनिर पर्छ. C dash join A dash B dash and C dash A dash B dash and C dash. A dash कति छ हेरौँ? 3 2 को 2 minus 3 B dash 5 2 2 minus 5 X Y Y minus X. C 3 2 चाहिँ X Y Y सेम राख्यो minus X minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 and shade. what to write? यसपछि यहाँनिर लेख्ने here triangle ABC is rotated through minus 90 degree negative quarter turn to triangle A dash B dash C dash as shown on the graph paper. See, graph paper में विद्यार्थीहरूले के गर्ने A32 B52 C3 minus 2 बनाउने. Make triangle ABC as given. First of all, rotate. We know PXY under minus 90 degree means clockwise or negative quarter turn P dash Y minus X हुन्छ 3 to 2 minus 3 X Y Y minus X 5 to 2 minus 5 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 यसको X Y Y भयो यो Y भयो minus 2 भयो यसको साइन चेन्ज भयो होइन 3 को चाहिँ minus 3 भयो X Y को Y minus X भएर यसरी आउँछ ट्रायंगल ABC यस्तो सेप भयो A dash B dash C dash 90 degree एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डिरेक्सन में रोटेट गर्यो यसको कसरी एंटी क्लॉकवाइज कस्तो किसिमले यस्तो किसिमले एंटी क्लॉकवाइज minus 90 degree में रोटेशन गर्यो so students are advised to use their graph paper fairly students ले यहाँनिर ग्राफ छैन ग्राफ पेपर में राम्रो यसलाई नेक्स्ट पेपर यो ग्राफ पेपर हो सपोज दिस इज ग्राफ पेपर सपोज यो ग्राफ पेपर हो यसमा यो फिगर देखाउने यतापट्टि अर्थात् योभन्दा अगाडिपट्टि विद्यार्थीहरूले यो वर्कहरू चाहिँ नेक्स्ट यो लाइनवालामा चाहिँ देखाउने यूज योर all work like A32 2 minus 3 B52 2 minus 5 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 3 on the line paper and use the graph paper properly and fairly and finally write triangle ABC with given vertices is rotated through minus 90 degree to triangle A dash B dash C dash with the given vertices as shown on the graph paper. Now you will get full mark. Another person possibly is this was for today because the questions are long and you may feel bored. Next time I do some more.